Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Silke and today we are going to make this Tunisian crochet headband. It's an easy project for beginners and you can make it with or without a bow. You will need one ball of worsted weight yarn, a Tunisian crochet hook approximately size 7 mm, or a regular hook without handle, and a wool needle and a pair of scissors. We start with chaining 12 stitches. We turn our chains to the front and pick up our loops from the back bumps of the chains. Insert your hook in the second chain from hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. Repeat this step until the end of the row. We now have 12 stitches on our hook. To work the return pass, chain 1 and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops until 1 loop is left on the hook. For the Tunisian simple stitch, insert your hook under the next vertical bar, from right to left, yarn over and pull up a loop. Repeat this until you get to the last stitch. For the edge stitch, insert your hook under both strands of yarn, yarn over and pull up a loop. Work the return pass just as before. Chain 1 and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Continue in Tunisian simple stitch until the headband is long enough to fit around the head. I have crocheted 64 rows and now I can bind off my stitches. To bind off, insert the hook as for Tunisian simple stitch, yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. For the edge stitch, again work under both strands, then chain 1, leave a long tail, and cut your yarn. Now we can thread the yarn onto our wool needle. To seam, fold your headband that the right sides are inside. These are our edges here. Insert the needle through the opposite corner, then always go under 2 strands of each stitch. Continue whip stitching to the end of the row. I finished my seam here. We're now going to pick up those loops we just have made. When you want to make your headband without a bow, then pull your headband together and wrap your yarn around multiple times until you have a nice knot. But we are here now continuing with the bow. For the bow, we chain 7 stitches. Once again, we insert the hook into the back bumps of the chains and pull up our loops. Work the return pass in the same way as before. Insert your hook under the next vertical bar and continue in Tunisian simple stitch until you have 20 rows. I have completed 20 rows and I can now bind off my stitches. Once again, leave a long tail and cut the yarn. Now we can sew the edges in the same way as before. I'm here finished with seaming. I am turning the bow right side out and I fold it to half with the seam in the center. Now I insert my needle through the front stitch and on the other side through both layers. And pull the edges together to form a bow. I wrap the yarn around the center and secure it on the back side. Now we can attach the bow to our headband. Pull the seam together, place the bow on the headband and wrap around the yarn. Continue with wrapping until you have a nicely looking knot. Then secure it on the back side and weave in ends. And we're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment and please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.